Hello, everyone, and welcome. Welcome back to Listen and Learn English. I am Emma, and I'm really happy you are here with us today.
Hello, Emma. And hello to all our friends watching and listening right now. I hope you are feeling calm, comfortable, and ready to enjoy this moment.
Tom, today feels different. It feels peaceful, but also exciting.
I feel the same way, Emma. It's not just a normal day. It's the beginning of a new year.
Yes, a new year. Friends from our hearts.
Emma, can I ask you something?
Of course, Tom.
How are you really feeling today?
Hmm, let me think. I feel hopeful, I feel thankful, and I feel a little curious too.
Curious? Oh, that's interesting. Why curious?
Because a new year feels like an empty book. We don't know what the pages will say yet.
Oh, wow. I really like that idea. An empty book waiting for new stories.
Exactly. How about you, Tom? How do you feel today?
I feel calm but also motivated. Last year taught me many lessons.
Lessons? Good ones or hard ones?
Both. Some lessons were beautiful. Some were difficult.
Friends, before we continue our conversation,
We want to say something small but important.
if you enjoy calm and friendly English conversations,
If you like learning English naturally, step by step,
please like this video
subscribe to the channel.
and share it with someone who is learning English too.
Your support truly helps us continue.
Tom, let's talk about the past year. Was it easy for you?
Hmm, no, not always.
Oh, really?
Yes. Some days were great, some days were confusing.
Confusing how?
Sometimes I felt lost. Sometimes I didn't know if I was improving or not.
Oh, I feel that way too sometimes.
Really?
Yes, especially when learning something new, like a language.
That's very true. Learning takes patience.
Tom, can I ask a small question?
Sure, go ahead.
If someone feels slow, does that mean they are bad at learning?
Number. Not at all.
Really? I thought fast learners are better.
That's a common idea, but it's not true. Slow learners often learn more deeply.
Oh, that's surprising.
Yes. Speed is not success. Understanding is success.
When I think about last year, I feel thankful
Thankful for what?
for small things, for lessons, for chances to learn.
That's beautiful. Gratitude makes us calmer.
Tom, do you think it's important to look back at the year?
Yes, but gently. Not to judge yourself, only to understand.
Oh, I like that. Look back, but don't be hard on yourself.
Emma, some people think a new year means big pressure.
Yes, they think I must change everything now.
Exactly. But change doesn't need to be loud.
What do you mean?
Change can be quiet. Small habits, small decisions.
Oh, like listening to English for 10 minutes a day?
Perfect example.
Wow, that feels easier already. So, Tom, now let's talk about the new year.
Yes, the fresh start.
Do you make New Year plans?
Sometimes, but I try to keep them simple.
Simple, not big goals.
Small goals that I can really do.
Oh, that's smart. Friends, let us ask you something.
Did you think about the past year?
And did you make any plans for the new year?
You can write even one sentence in the comments. Emma, can I ask you something now?
Of course, Tom. I'm listening.
Do you usually make plans for the new year?
Hmm. Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Oh? Why sometimes no?
Because before, I thought plans must be very big, and big plans scared me.
Oh, wow. I understand that feeling very well.
Really?
Yes. I used to think, if my plan is not perfect, I should not start.
Oh, that sounds stressful.
It was very stressful. So what changed? I learned something important.
What is it?
Plans are not promises. They are directions.
Oh, directions, not promises.
Exactly. You can change direction anytime.
Wait. So, if I plan to study English every day, but I miss one day,
You don't fail.
really?
Really? You just continue the next day.
Wow, that feels much kinder.
Learning should be kind, not painful.
Tom, many people say, this year I will change my whole life.
Yes, I hear that a lot.
Is that realistic?
Usually no.
Oh, so what is better?
Daily habits.
Daily habits?
Yes. Small actions you can repeat.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Listening to English every morning. Writing one sentence every night.
That sounds simple.
Simple is powerful.
Tom, let's talk about New Year's Day.
Okay.
What do people usually do during the day?
Many people wake up late.
Ha ha ha. Really?
Yes, because they stayed up late the night before.
Oh, right. The countdown and celebrations?
Exactly. Some people have breakfast with family.
That sounds nice.
Others go for a walk. They think about the new year quietly.
Oh, a quiet walk sounds peaceful.
It really is. What about New Year's night? That's more energetic.
How so?
People prepare food. They decorate their homes.
Do they invite friends?
Yes, often. Friends, family, sometimes neighbors.
And then the countdown.
Yes. 10, 9, 8.
I always feel excited at that moment.
Me too. It feels like time is stopping for a second.
Tom, can I say something honest?
Of course.
Sometimes at midnight I feel emotional
Oh, why?
because I think about everything that passed. Good moments and hard moments.
That's very natural.
Is it okay to feel that way?
Absolutely. It means you care.
Oh, thank you for saying that. Tom, I have a question. What is a New Year's resolution?
Oh, good question.
Is it the same as a plan?
Almost, but not exactly.
Oh, what's the difference?
A resolution is a decision to improve something.
Like quitting bad habits?
Yes. or starting good habits.
But many people stop after a few weeks.
That's true.
So, are resolutions bad?
Number. They just need to be realistic.
Friends, if you are listening right now,
We want to tell you something important.
you don't need to be perfect this year.
You just need to continue,
One step is enough.
one day at a time.
Now we want to ask you again.
What do you usually do on New Year's night?
Do you stay home or go out?
Write your answer in the comments.
Your comments help you practice English.
Emma, what does growth mean to you?
Growth means understanding myself better.
That's deep.
Last year, I learned that mistakes are teachers.
Oh, wow. That's very true.
What about you?
For me, growth means not giving up when things feel slow.
Oh, I like that. Tom, the start of a new year feels quiet to me.
Quiet? That's interesting.
Yes. It's like the world takes a deep breath.
Oh, I like that image. A deep breath.
Do you think it's okay to start the year slowly?
Absolutely. Slow starts are strong starts.
Really?
Yes. When we rush, we lose direction.
I always thought January must be busy and loud.
Many people think that.
So being calm is not wrong.
Not at all. Calm gives clarity.
Wow, that changes how I see the new year. Tom, many of our friends are learning English.
Yes. And we are very proud of them.
Some feel shy when speaking.
That's very normal.
What advice can we give them?
Speak slowly. Make mistakes. And smile.
Smile.
Yes. A smile relaxes your voice.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Most people don't.
Learning English is not only about words,
It's about confidence
it's about connection.
and about opening new doors.
Sometimes people ask, when will I be fluent?
That's a big question.
What is your answer?
Fluency is not a day. It's a journey.
Oh, that sounds comforting. Tom, do you believe people can change in a new year?
Yes, but not suddenly.
How then?
Through small choices. Every day.
Like choosing to practice instead of quitting?
Exactly.
Wow. Small choices again.
They always come back.
Friends, take a moment with us.
Think quietly.
What do you want to feel this year?
Calm, confidence, peace.
There is no wrong answer.
Your year belongs to you.
If this conversation helped you feel calmer,
If it helped you feel more confident in English,
please support us.
like this video.
Subscribe to Listen and Learn English.
And leave a comment below,
Tell us what you do on New Year's Day.
or what your plan is for this year.
From my heart,
From mine too.
we wish you a happy, healthy, and peaceful new year. May your learning be gentle,
May your progress be steady.
and may you believe in yourself.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Thank you for learning with us.
We'll be here with you.
Step by step. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Bye.